What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando, and today is a special day. It's media day for Pipeline the Surf Coaster after all this time. Oh yeah, let's do it. Check it out. New views. Haven't seen this angle before. The ride looks amazing, and once guests are going to be able to walk through here, it's going to be really cool seeing their reactions. You get really up close to the ride too. Love that. I mean, you're right here. You're going to be able to see anybody that you know taking a ride on Pipeline. See their awesome reactions as they fly through the air. This ride's great. Can't wait to do it again. And in our last video, this was as far as we could go. So all that stuff back there that we just saw, that's really neat.
Here's our first riders.
Here we go. We're in the queue again. Nobody's in it this time.
It's time to get amped up and feel the power of the ocean on Pipeline.
Train about to go. Again, love that it's right here. So guests waiting in line, you'll be able to see people riding and see their reactions. Alrighty guys, so we're about to ride Pipeline, the surf coaster here at SeaWorld Orlando. Let's do this. I'm ready. Come on! Away we go. Let's do this. So first time having a chance to actually mount cameras on the train. That's what we have facing me and Natalie. And we have our GoPro recording the front-facing POV. Let's do this. Daytime ride. Haven't done it. Woo! It's a quality ride, guys. That is so good. Yep. Yeah. Woo! That gives you the adrenaline. Love the airtime on it. I like it. That's a good ride, guys. Woo!
You're at SeaWorld.
Alrighty guys, so we're about to ride Pipeline, the surf coaster here at SeaWorld Orlando. Let's do this. I'm ready. Come on! Away we go. Let's do this. Woo! Woo! So first time having a chance to actually mount cameras on the train. That's what we have facing me and Natalie. And we have our GoPro recording the front-facing POV. Let's do this. Daytime ride. Haven't done it. Woo! is so good. Whew. That gives you the adrenaline. Love the airtime on it. It's a good ride, guys.
Carry your stuff out of your seat and off the surfboard. You've been rolling deck here at SeaWorld.
How was it?
Alrighty guys, it's interview time and we have Rob from SeaWorld. Rob, can you tell me what makes Pipeline so special and what it means to the park?
Sure, yeah. It's our 7th coaster, so that alone is very special. We're the coaster capital here of Orlando.
but this is no traditional coaster. It is, as a surf coaster, you're truly surfing. So you stand up at first, right? And it's fine. You feel standard stand-up coaster. You go out and the waves of the motion, the air time, it's crazy intense. It's crazy cool. You have to ride it to experience it. That's what I can say. I can tell you all about it, but until you go on it, you're not going to believe me. It's so comfortable. It truly is comfortable. And the airtime is just fantastic from beginning to the very, very end.
I think it's actually surprising. Like I said, when I had a chance to ride, I wasn't expecting a couple of those moments to ejectocito me out of the seat. But it really does take guests by surprise, and I think that's what makes this coaster so unique, is that it is a prototype, it's a new style, and you can't do it anywhere else in the world, only here at SeaWorld Orlando right now. Ride quality is smooth, G-forces are good, and it's beautiful around the area with the aesthetics and whatnot. One question I do have for you though is, of course we know about commissioning and all that. When you took your first ride, what was going through your head since you were involved through the entire process?
Yeah, you know, been involved in this project for years, going to Switzerland with the team to meet with B&M and to put our hands on the actual train itself. That was exciting, just seeing this train because it's tall, it's powerful, it's sexy. It's a sexy ride.
It is, it really is.
So that alone is cool. I saw in Switzerland, I was like, wow, that's impressive. And then coming out on the first ride, not knowing what to expect, and I'm pretty standard on a coaster. I don't have this crazy reaction of giggling. I could not stop laughing. It's so much fun. You get thrown out of your seat in a good way, in a safe way, and it was just, it's unbelievable. I'm all smiles today, and I know our pass holders starting tomorrow on Friday the 12th, and our guests starting the 27th of May are just going to absolutely be blown away and come back and ride over and over again.
I'm excited for all the guests that are going to be in line and get a chance to try it out. Rob, thank you so much for speaking with us.
Thanks for coming.
Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Pipeline the Surf Coaster Media Day. Had fun getting our one ride on it. I do think it's a quality ride, and I'm hoping that you guys are going to come out to the park and try it out yourself. Airtime is amazing, and of course we are going to be covering plenty more stuff here at SeaWorld Orlando, so if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.